Hey everyone, welcome back to another squishy food toy segment on my channel. These squishy food toys have been so fun. I have a whole collection of them at this point, and it's just been pretty wild and fun to unbox these. So if you haven't seen any of my other squishy food toy videos, check out my playlist and also check out my Amazon storefront where I share a whole list of squishy food toys that you could purchase on Amazon that I have shared unboxing videos of. But in this video, I have a special treat for you because I'm going to actually compare two different brands of squishy butter toys. So these are two different brands that I purchased on Amazon. This one here is the DGEZB brand. This is a single butter squishy toy. And this one here actually came in a pack of two. And oh, they're actually sticking together. That's pretty funny. Oh, super sticky. Okay, this is the Yanyan brand. Now, let's compare these two and see kind of like which one is better, maybe in my opinion, but maybe in your opinion it would be different. Okay, so the DGEZB, this one I noticed takes a really long time to come back to its shape. So it's super, super squishy, okay? And it takes a while. Now this one actually squishes really well, but then comes back to shape pretty quickly. So see how this one is actually still dented in, and this one's like perfectly back into a cube. So that is different. The colors are different too. This one is like bright yellow, and this one's like a soft yellow. This one is a little bigger, I think. Yeah, it's a little longer in shape or in size. They look the same from the side. This one is like more sharp edges. Not really sharp, I mean it's soft, but like rigid edges. This one is more rounded edges. This one is more sticky. This one's not as sticky. So this one's super soft, squishy. So if you like playing with squishy toys that are like really squeezy, squishy, this one's for you. And if you like squishy toys that are firmer, like this one feels a little thicker material and comes back to shape really quickly, that one's for you. This one is the Yanyan brand. And smell? Ooh, this one smells so sweet. This one smells sweet too, but like a different sweetness. It's kind of like two different butters. That's pretty funny because they smell like butter, but in different ways. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this comparison of two different butter squishy toys. Definitely check out my playlist of more squishy toy unboxings. And I plan to share some other video comparisons of some squishy dumplings that I have too. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.